Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor. Today in this video we are going to see about the PHP quizzes, which is from W3 Schools quizzes. So here we are having 25 bits covering the basics of PHP. So each and every bit get 1 mark if you are given a correct answer. At the end of the quiz, you will get a total score, and if you finish the quiz, you are also having the correct answers if you have answered any wrong answers. So this is test to the basic skills which you are having. This is for testing purpose only, so that you can practice after learning of PHP concepts from this website. So before getting started to this quiz, I want to mention one thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. While clicking the bell icon, please select the option called as all, so that you will never miss any update from us. We update videos, upload videos related to HTML, CSS, Java query, Bootstrap, all these things related to web developer kind of things, Visual Studio tips and tricks, JavaScript, what is jQuery, and all the different applications, and what are the different kind of videos which will help you interview tips or any other videos. Just go through our channel playlist and you will find videos which will helpful to you to learn the basic concepts of web development. So subscribe and share this channel to your friends also to get the content which we are uploading. It seems useful for them too. So let's get started into this PHP quiz. While dealing with the quizzes, so you can check that choose the correct answers in a jumbled format. If you open this quiz along parallel to me, you can also practice along with me. So you can find bits in a jumbled format. So select the correct options while answering the bits quizzes. Let's get started. Here is the first question. What does the PHP stand for? We all know the PHP is nothing but a hypertext preprocessor language, right? So the PHP is the hypertext preprocessor. There is no personal hypertext preprocessor or private homepage. This is a hypertext preprocessor PHP. Next bit, what PHP server scripts are surrounded by delimiters, which delimiters that should correspond with this question mark PHP and corresponded with the question mark angular bracket. So this is the delimiter in the PHP server scripts which are surrounded by the delimiters. This is the one option for correct option for that. Next, what do you write hello? How do you write hello world in PHP? You can write in two ways, that is by using the echo and also by using the print. Here option we have echo, so you can select this with echo. You can print hello world in PHP. What are the all variables in PHP start with the symbol? So any variable in the PHP should start with the symbol called as dollar sign. In PHP, all variables will start the symbol called as dollar. There is no and symbol or not symbol. You can use dollar symbol for all the variables in PHP start with. What's the correct way to end a PHP statement? For ending any PHP statement, we should use semicolon. Only with the semicolon, all the PHP statements will end. So semicolon is used for that purpose, not dot or a tag like that. So colon is used for ending the statement in PHP. What's the PHP syntax is most similar to? Yes, mostly PHP syntax is similar to C and parallel. In C, what we follow that every statement is ended with a column, semicolon like that. Parallel and C having similar syntaxes to PHP. Next bit is ready to how do you get information that from a form that is submitted using the get method. So we can get, like we have told you, right, from the dollar sign we can use variables like get method. Array is used for that purpose, which is submitted get is, this is the thing, get the information from the form when it is submitted by using the get method. Is the correct option for that. There is no form or request or form or paper like that. When using the post method, variables are displayed in the URL. When you are using the post method in PHP, variables are displayed in the URL they are asking about. So no, the variables are not displayed in the get URL by using post method. So statement is false. So false, we have to answer. Next in PHP, we can use both single quotes and double quotes to the strings? Yes, we can use single quotes and double quotes in PHP. Statement is true. Next, we include files must have the file extension .inc. So there is no need to be must or mandatory to be the file should have inc. So no, you can have other file extensions also. There is no not a must or mandatory thing. The statement is false. Next, what is the correct way to include the file time.inc? So for including, I told you right. We have seen that the format like delimiters we have seen. So this is the delimiter which is having a angle bracket question mark PHP. Where in between we have to include the file name. No need of the file or a colon like that. The correct syntax is this angle bracket question mark PHP include the file name should be there and column you should end with the statement like column. Include statement should be ended with column. And next that delimiters will be there. That is a question mark and angular bracket. So this is the correct option for that. Next bit. Which is the correct way to create a function in PHP. For creating function in the PHP, you have should use the keyword called as function. There is no create or new function keywords. We can use the function keyword and followed by the name of that function, my function. This is the correct way to create a function in PHP. Next, what's the correct way to open a file? Time.text file as a readable. For opening any file, we have the function called as fopen. So by using the fopen, we can open. So we have to mention the file name as a parameter and what format that should be open in readable, right? So R is used for that purpose. So fopen the file name and the format of that is readable. That is R. You should have to mention. So this is the correct format for opening. There is no R plus such type of thing. For readable, we have to use R only. So next, PHP allows to send mails directly from a script. If yes, for submitting form, you can send it to mail directly. Yes, in PHP we have this option that is a true. So next bit, next which super global variable holds information about headers, paths, and script locations. So all this information stored in the super global variable called as a server. So for defining variables, we use this dollar symbol. Like server is a variable where you can store these headers, files, and paths. All these things in PHP. This is a global super global variable. What's the correct way to add one in the count variable? So for adding one in PHP, we should use this plus plus as a increment, post increment, right? So this is a user for adding one to a count variable. This is the correct syntax for this. Column should be mentioned for each and every statement after completion. So count plus plus. $sim should be used for the variable, right? So this is the correct syntax for what they're asking for. Next, what's the correct way to add comments in PHP? As we see, comments in PHP is this is one to add like slash star. We should mention the comment and star, and again slash should be closed. Like JavaScript, we use these comments, right? So this is a comment correct way to add comment syntax in PHP. Next, PHP runs on Microsoft Windows IIS Internet Information Server. Yes, that can be run on that. So the statement is true. IIS run PHP can run on Microsoft Windows IIS. Next, the die and exit functions do the exact same thing. Yes, in PHP the die and exit functions are the same. So the statement is true. We can say. Next, which of the following these variables have a illegal name? So coming to illegal name, we can use underscores or fonts, anything, but there is no dash, such kind of things. So we can't use this dash of such kind of properties for the variables in PHP. So this is an illegal name along this from these variables. This is the correct answer. Next, how do you create a cookie in PHP? For creating cookies in PHP, we have this set cookie. Set cookie is the function where you can have set cookie is the function where you can by that you can create a cookie in PHP. Set cookie. Next. Next, what we have is only in PHP the only way to output text is echo. So now we can have use two ways to create an output text in PHP, that is with print and echo. Not only echo, not echo is not only the only way. So statement is false. You can go with the false. Next, how do you create an array in PHP? You can create array in PHP by using array thing, that is cars. We should use these type of brackets, right? So cars array of we should give the values in that array. So this is the correct syntax for creating array in PHP. Next, if statement is used to execute some code only if the specified condition is true. Yes, of course, in any programming language, the if condition statements will be printed or executed only if the condition is true, right? So the statement is true. to ask the answer. Next, which operator is used to check if two values are equal and of same data type? For equal, you can check with is equal to, or for assigning equal to, for not equal to, and also they are checking a same data type. For also checking same data type, we have to use three is equal to, so that you can check the two values are same, and also from the same data type you can check by using this operator in PHP or any other. So this is the answer. So we have covered all the 25 bits. Let's see the answer or scorecard. Yes, here you can see we have answered all the things as a correct. So 25 out of 25, 100% perfect. The time spent is 8 minutes 16 seconds. So this is my result. What is your result? Feel free to comment in the comment section, so that will boost up other persons also to take the quiz to get the out of the score. So you can try again if you got less marks, and you can go to back to quizzes so that you can do quizzes on the other concepts. Or also you can check the answers if you have done any wrong. So that will tell you what the correct answers right here. So if you have anything wrong, that will be displayed in a red color, and the correct answer will be printed there, so that you will got to know what you have mistaken. So that's all for today. In this video, we all covered PHP quizzes. These are the results. So you also try this thing. This is a very cool website where you can practice so many things and examples. You will have tried it. That just go through the concept of PHP and take this quiz. We have explained so many concepts related to HTML, CSS. Go to our playlist and check out all the videos, and share our videos to your friends and colleagues and batchmates, so that will help them to start this web development course along with our videos. That will give great extent of knowledge to you to start and begin with. Feel free to comment in the comment section, give suggestions if you want to give for us any to make videos on any other concept. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.